create your own fixture profile using the profile creator that was included with the software, you're going to need your DMX chart either on your desktop or somewhere around you. In this case, we're going to use the American DJ LED bar 7-channel mode. Simply click on number of channels faders. Select the number of channels you wish. In this case, we use 7. You're going to also have to select which type of fixture you're creating. From here, you can select a moving head, a scanner, a power can, a colored object, or even a smoke machine. In this case, we're going to use color objects. We're going to take the panel, but we're going to modify the size to best represent the LED bar. You can modify the size by entering in a different number in the X, Y, and Z sections. Then click OK. This type of fixture does not allow pen and touch channels to confirm. You want to click Yes. Okay, so you notice that the LED bar, the first 3 channels, are red, green, and blue. You can name the channel that you're creating by selecting free, dimmer, shutter, color, rotation of colors, global rotation, iris, zoom, CMY, RGB, frost, and even focus. So, but this case, we're going to need red. And for the second channel, green. For the third channel, blue. Now for the fourth channel, you'll notice that it's the color macro channel, in which case we need to change it to a free channel and then start creating our presets. First, we'll name the channel macro. We want to click new preset to open up the preset creator. So you notice that on channel 4, the DMX values 0 through 13 don't do anything. So we'll create a preset for that, which is 0 through 13, and label it nothing. Then select OK. Now for our next preset, which is the color macros, which is all the way from 14 through 255. We'll create a new preset for that. Adjust the first DMX level and last DMX level to make sure it goes from 14 to 255. And we'll name that macros. Now since you're going to want to select these macros on the fixture page, you're going to need to have a dimmer fader. So simply check the show the dimmer fader and then click OK. Now for channel 5, it's the strobing channel. So that's kind of like a shutter channel, so we'll hit the question mark and we'll label it a shutter channel. We'll make our first preset is static 0 through 15. And we'll change the icon to no icon since it's just on. And click OK. Our next preset is strobing from 16 through 255. So we'll adjust the faders or the demix values and go to 255. Now for the effect, we'll have to create a shutter strobe effect. Find the shutter strobe icon and select it. And if you look over to the right and see this little tool button, you can edit how fast the strobe goes in hertz. I like to slow it down just because it's easier on the CPU usage for strobing. So find the right hertz for your fixture, then click OK. Now since you're going to want to have the fader control, select the show the dimmer fader, then click OK. Now for the channel 6 is the mode. We'll type in mode and then create our first preset, which is 0 through 5 has no effect on the fixture. So type that in, type no effect, and then click OK. next preset is 40 auto programs that you can select to go from 6 to 245. Now since it's such a broad spectrum between values, you're going to want to show the dimmer fader again. And we'll label it 40 auto programs. Then select OK. And for the next preset, which is sound active flash, that's 246 through 251. You'll notice that the next preset will start where the last one ended. For sound active flash, we'll use the sound active icon located in the others icon palette. And name the preset sound active flash. Select OK. And one more preset, which is general sound active. We'll keep the icon there, adjust the values, and rename it sound active. Then click OK. Now the last channel is a dimmer channel. So we'll need to go check on the question mark, find the dimmer, select that. Now for the dimmer channels, you need to create a preset in order for them to work. And you'll see that dimmer will automatically come up 0 to 255. You can even adjust how dim and how bright they start at. Select OK, select OK once more. Now that we've created a fixture, we want to save it. So we go to File, and Save. In this case, since it's an American DJ light, we'll select the American DJ folder and rename it LED bar 7-channel mode. Now I had already made this profile, so I'm just going to write over it. And over at the file, select yes. And that is how you create a fixture profile.